In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Ghibli type photos using AI. To do this, go to search engine and type grok.com. Go to the first search result, and after that you need to sign up or sign in. If you don't have account yet, you need to sign up, and if you have one, you can sign in. Wait for a few seconds. After that you can sign in. So now I am signed in. After that type, and after that go to attachments, click on it, and you can upload the file you wish to convert. Wait for it to upload. Now press enter. For a few seconds it will generate. Now the image is fully generated. It's in Ghibli style. You can, if you want to change the style, you can always type anything in the search bar and press enter. Thank you.